Today, continuing with our lessons on composition, we're going to first discuss what makes a good melody and what to put into a melody that makes it catchy, entertaining, and easy to listen to. So, someone give me an idea of what you think of when you think of good melody. Throw out anything. There's no wrong answer. Unless you give me a wrong answer.
Beauty and the Beast music.
So what part of that
Just
is...
like the main theme.
It's a da-da-da. What part about that is recognizable,
Sounds good when it all finishes.
catchy to the ear.
Gets caught in your head. Every
Gets
single
caught in your
time you
head.
think of it, that's
So-
what you think of.
Some basic things when developing a melody is consistently and typically keeping it in an octave and a half range is a good rule of thumb for a good melody. You listen to da-dee-da-dee-da. It's all within a fifth. Another thing to keep in mind with good melodies usually have mostly stepwise motion with a few leaps. So you hear da-dee-da-dee-da. Step, leap down, step, leap down, step through it. Another thing to keep in mind is using scales and scale passages. So it would sound really weird if Beauty and the Beast, instead of was, it would sound really weird if you're throwing in random sharps and accidentals. Keeping it in a key and diatonic usually helps with a fluid melody. So what we're going to do today is I've provided you with an ostinato, which, what's an ostinato? What?
Unity rhythm.
Thank you. I've provided you with an ostinato that will function as your bass line. We're going to pair up with one other person and try to develop, using this as your bass line, a fluid, catchy melody, using those three standard rules of octave and a half range. So we all have instruments, so that's pretty easy to keep it within an octave. Stepwise motion, using only some leaps and keeping it diatonic. So for this purpose, we're going to keep C major. So pair up with someone. I would suggest one person plays the bass line while the other person experiments with playing a melody over it. That would person play your new melody.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, Mr. Duncan, can you count us off?
Sure. 3, 4. So it's half notes.
Restart.
Yeah. 3, 4. Not bad. I like the new melody. How about clarinets? That's it.
I was shocked to go there. If you saw
Send me the
that.
stand. 3, and
Okay, wait. Why did you write in the charts if you're not playing the charts?
so it's a B and C. Mind if I sing?
Using one.
Play it in all naturals. 0 sharp, 0 flats. 3, and so one person plays. And then you play your melody. 3, and Here, I'll play the bass line with you. You play the melody.
Hi, Taylor.
3, and
Hi, Alex.
okay. I get it.
Very nice.
2 minutes. Pick it up. All right. Sure. Clap. Yes, now. You need to count off.
Yes.
Would you please?
3, and but not least, remember that you're a transposition. 3 and